Hey everyone, Nick from Gallery 7, and as you can see, I've got my work cut out for me here. Our client went to school with the artist. The artist's name is Scott Jeffries. It is a beautiful painting, and this is going to be gallery wrapped, and so the artist has taped out the cropping that he wants us to do, and it's going to be an interesting project, and we're going to sort of take you through our thinking process as we do this. A couple of things to keep in mind: the artist was like the client who commissioned the painting is free to do whatever they want with it. The client wants to make it 7 feet long instead of 6, and we do have enough image to make it 7 feet and still have a gallery wrap. It's a very nice, thick, heavy canvas. This is going to be tough to get those nice tight corners on. So we'll show you that when we get to it. All right, we'll look at this again later. What I'm doing now is installing the Jack Richardson best corner keys. And as soon as I get this last screw in, I'm going to tell you what these do. Now, old canvases, they still make them, will have little slots in here with triangular shaped pieces of wood that you bang in, and it pulls this apart to tighten the canvas. What I love about these is you just turn these screws on these turnbuckles and you'll stretch this out a little bit and tighten up the canvas. They work great. Okay guys, it's done. Biggest canvas we ever stretched, 7 feet by 4 feet. It came out great. The gallery corners look good. I'm going to turn it around and show you guys the back. There we go. So after it's stretched, all the excess canvas is folded under neatly and then tacked again. So we have nice clean edges. I did make one change in my design. I was originally going to hang this with a cleat or a Z-bar. Well, I couldn't just put a Z-bar on this. That's not a smooth enough surface for the Z-bar to slide and hook into the one on the wall. I would have had to have put a 1/2-inch piece of wood on this, which could have looked nice. You paint it black, it hangs out from the wall. But I decided to go with the mirror hanging system. And I moved these in on these blocks so that the hook won't show from the side of the painting. And I think this came out great. Let's turn it around one more time. And I'm just thrilled with how this came out, and I say this a lot. I really can't wait for our clients to see it.